Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Today we have something special for you. So stay tuned till the end. Let's get started. DRDA West Khasi Hills Recruitment 2025. Applications in a prescribed standard application form are hereby invited from the citizens of India for filling up vacant posts of Thematic Expert and District Accountant under RGSA in West Khasi Hills District, Nongstoin, Meghalaya on a contract basis. The last date for submission of the application is the 28th of May 2025. One post name, Thematic Expert. Number of posts, 1. Age limit, 18 to 32 years. Relaxable by 5 years in case of scheduled tribe and scheduled caste. Salary, 30,000 per month. Essential qualification. Postgraduate degree from a recognized university institution in social work/rural development /RDAP agricultural, economic sociology or related fields. Experience, 3 to 5 years of work experience in rural development sector, or having experiences in the field of training and implementation of rural development programs. 2. Post name, District Accountant. Number of posts, 1. Age limit, 18 to 32 years. Relaxable by 5 years in case of scheduled tribe and scheduled caste. Salary, 15,000 per month. Essential qualification, BCom BA with knowledge of computer including Tally. Experience, minimum of 3 years of work experience in accounts-related works. How to apply for DRDA West Khasi Hills Recruitment 2025. Thematic Expert and District Accountant. Application in a prescribed standard application form should reach the office of the project director. DRDA, Nongstoin latest by 5 p.m. on the 28th of May 2025. Self-attested copies of all documents/testimonials should be enclosed in support of SDSC. Age, qualification, permanent address, work experience certificate, etc. Application found incomplete in any respect shall be summarily rejected. Date of interview, written test will be communicated later on, and all relevant documents in original should be produced at the time of interview. Those who wish to apply are advised to go through the DRDA West Khasi Hills Recruitment 2025 Thematic Expert and District Accountant official notification.